Hello everyone and welcome to another video on Talk Help Guy. Today I'll be teaching you how to add a graph on your spreadsheet file. Now this is actually quite easy, so if you want to do this, just stick to the tutorial and I promise you'll be able to do it like a pro. So the first thing we want to do is we want to open up our spreadsheet file. And then afterwards, we want to input all of the data needed. So let's say in column A, let's type in shareholders. And then for column B, let's say contribution percentage. And then let's add some names. Let's say Leon, Alice, Jill, let's say Carlos, and let's add Ada. And then for contribution, let's say Leo contributed 100. Wait, no, let's change that one to 50%. Let's say 50. Let's say Alice contributed 20. Let's say Jill contributed 5. And Carlos contributed 10. And then for Ada, let's say she contributed 15. Now that we have our data, we want to select these cells. Just right click and select all the cells. So column A to 6, A and B to 6, and then click on insert and select chart. Afterwards, automatically, Google Sheet will create a chart based on the cells that you have selected. Now, on the right corner, there's a chart editor. You can select different charts. Let's say you can select a column chart, you can have a bar chart, you can have a combo chart. And you can also have a donut chart. So you can browse through different types of charts that you can use to represent your data well. And at the same time, the best part of this is you can customize it into whatever you like and into whatever you prefer for your presentation. Now you can also head on to the other side, customize, to be able to customize your presentation. So let's say this one, we want to change the color to black. So let's just click on the color. Let's say black, and now it changes to black. We can also change the color of the graph. Let's say from auto, let's say red, or maybe yellow, or let's stick with blue. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope we were able to help you out in adding a graph for your presentation. I'll see you on the next one, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.